Hi, seventh graders. Sorry that the lighting is really weird down here. My kids are asleep upstairs, so I'm in our basement, and I just wanted to say a quick hello to you. I won't be back this week, so Mrs. Waddy, I know is going to be with you on Friday. I'm not sure who's going to be with you on Wednesday and Thursday, and I'm really sorry. I wish I could be there. I will tell you all about it next week when I'm back on Monday. But just need to take some time for myself to take care of myself. But again, I'm doing okay. I just can't be at work right now. So, what I want to tell you is that I know we're right in the middle of this drawing project, and the two exercises that Mrs. Waddy did with you, she said you did awesome, and they were really good. So you've got some really good observational drawing skills in your tool belt right now. And when I get back to school on Monday, you will have those three objects either from home or from the art room, and we will put those observational drawing skills to great use. I can't wait to see your upside down drawings because those are always so fun to look at. But for right now, we're just going to sidebar all the observational drawing stuff because I'm not sure who's going to be with you, like I said, on Wednesday and Thursday, and I still want you doing something creative. So what we are going to do, I'm going to share my screen. We are going to do a little painting with paper. So on Google Classroom, and this is this little screen or slides that you're going to look at, but on Google Classroom, go to your second hour under the classwork tab. So after you're done watching this, you're all going to go grab your Chromebooks if you don't have them with you. And you're going to log on to Google Classroom. And I actually earlier this week or last week wrote the Google Classroom codes on the whiteboard. So those are up there on the whiteboard for you to look at. But under the class, or to join the class if you haven't yet, under the classwork tab, scroll all the way down, painting with paper. And these are the Google slides that you need to go through. So each one of you individually by yourself needs to go through these. I mean, I guess at your table you could talk about it, but you need to make sure you look at each slide and you understand what's happening on the slide. So that way you know how to do the project. So our inspiration for our project is an artist named Megan Coyle, and she calls it painting with paper. If you were to look at this and just like not know that term, you might be like, yeah, it's just collage. But she talks about how it's a lot more intricate than that, like the way that she places the colors and the textures. So you're going to do something super, super similar. This is a Meet the Artist. So you'll click on this link, and this will take you to like a little biography of Megan Coyle. And then on the third slide, her website is here, and you'll look at some of her artwork. And then on this fourth slide, what is a still life? And this kind of ties in to what we're doing anyways when I get back, but a still life, because a lot of her paper paintings are still life. So that ties in a little bit too to what we're going to do anyways. And then this is why is color so important? So you can kind of explore some color here, but color is really important in her work, and it will be in yours too. And then this last slide, it tells you exactly what you are going to do. So first you need to decide what you want to create. Second, you're going to get a piece of drawing paper, either big or small. The big drawing paper is 12 by 18 of this size. And then the little drawing paper is like your sketchbook size. So either size, and you can do it portrait or landscape, doesn't matter. And then you are drawing your picture, like what you're creating, very lightly in pencil. And that acts as like a map for your colored papers. And then you got to kind of start collecting your colors. And you can use, I have plastic Ziploc baggies that are above the sink in a cabinet labeled plastic bags, and they're in a blue box. So if you want Ziploc bags, you can grab some for yourself. And then lastly, once you do all that, then you start cutting and applying your colors. So notice too how Megan Coyle's pieces don't only have solid color, but they've got texture too. So some stuff you can use our magazine pages, because those are really good for like, even if you look at like some of these greens are solid green, it's like solid green construction paper, but then she used some, textured construction paper too, or probably from like a magazine page. So you can use a combination of those. And I'm really excited to see what you all create. Even though I'm not there, this project is still worth your while and worth your time, and it'll be fun. It's just something, this project I always keep like in my back pocket, for instances like if these types of emergency type situations ever pop up. So it is still something that we do from time to time. It wasn't something that I had planned at this point in time for you guys, but it's going to fit just in, or going to fit in just perfectly. So work hard, be good for the sub, table 8, and I'm just kidding. And I will see you on Monday.